Hey guys, how's it going? I'm traveling with a friend at the moment, and she's just gone to take care of some stuff and left me in the car like the family dog. So I figured I'd use this time that I have to make a quick update video to let you guys know what's happening with me, why I haven't been uploading videos to this channel in a couple of months or so, and basically I've been busy doing stuff with my own life and shit like that, and people get busy. YouTube isn't a priority of mine. Because I don't get paid for YouTube. None of my videos are monetized or anything like that, and I don't see myself ever monetizing them in the near future. Reasons for that is because one, I'm not going to make that much money off them anyway. Two, I don't really care about that. The other way that I make a living and get my income, it's good enough. And three, this is the main reason, YouTube is more likely to remove a video of mine if it's monetized due to the number of things that they find offensive these days because it's YouTube, fucking left-wing pussies. And anyway, so yeah, about 3-ish or something months ago, my laptop that has all my editing software for the videos that I make stopped working. The fan that stops it from overheating just died on me, and so I had to get it sent off to get repaired, and by sent off, sounds like I had to mail it off. No, it's even better than that. There was a guy that does home repairs 15 minutes walk from where I live. And you probably think that that's convenient, but keep in mind, this is Australia, okay? On the walk there, I mean, I got chased by a taipan, had to dodge drop bear, boxed a kangaroo, and then on the way back, I got swooped by a magpie of death. It's, yeah, it's a dangerous place, Australia, okay? But anyway, this video is really just about me just saying, I'm still here, and I intend on uploading videos a lot more frequently in order to make up for the time that I've been away, so... this also gives me an opportunity to ask you guys, what is it that, you want me to upload? Like, just ask some questions about a topic or something like that that has to do with combat self-defense, something like that. And if I think it's, a decent enough question to make a video, I'll make a video on it. If it's a short response question that I can just answer by typing it to you, then, I can do that as well. So anyway... Thanks for staying tuned and stuff like that, and there will be more videos to come. Apologize for the delays, etc., etc. Even though that I'm not really a YouTuber, a YouTuber is someone that I consider that makes like a career out of doing YouTube videos and makes a living and an income off that. I'm just a guy that uploads a couple of YouTube videos in my spare time. But anyway, I do appreciate all you guys for tuning in, subscribing, etc., etc., blah, blah, blah. So, all in all, yeah, stay tuned, more videos to come, etc., and stay safe.